Assalamualaikum, it's me Wayne. Now I am in our factory located in Hajj area in the south of Riyadh city. And from here you are able to see we have stock of the high quality all-in-one solar street light. Totally we are keeping more than 1,000 pieces in our factory. So we are sending our raw material from China to our Hajj factory and we assemble all the light here. So with our stock in factory, so we are able to deliver the finished products within 1 week. Most of the time we are keeping finished products here. So you don't need to worry about the delivery time because the delivery time is only 1 week maximum. And also we have our workers, our technicians here. So if you have any quality issue, our technician can go to your project site and solve the headache for you within 2 days. So in this big warehouse, we are keeping 1,000 pieces of high quality all-in-one solar light, and all the lights are made in Saudi. We are promoting our own brand, our lamps, in local market. And here we have 1,000 pieces, 100 pieces, ready for delivery.